Meaning of expiry date.
Expiry date.
Expiry date.
Expiry date.
Expiry date. An expiry date refers to the date after which a product, service, or contract is no longer valid, and may even become dangerous to use. It is often printed on food, medicine, and cosmetic products to ensure safety and quality. For example, consuming expired food can result in food poisoning, while using expired medicine may have harmful effects. It is important to check the expiry date on products before using or consuming them. Failure to do so could result in negative consequences for one's health and safety.